In this work, we present a technique for printing 3D lampshades that can project images onto surrounding surfaces. The imagery is projected through a densely distributed set of carefully configured holes through the lampshade shell. Our goal is to design a 3D printed perforated lampshade that projects a continuous tone image, which is as close as possible to a target grayscale image. Similarly to the dots used in halftoning and stippling, our basic idea is to perforate the physical 3D surface of the lampshade with tiny tubes. But unlike halftoning for paper printing, here we are constrained by the physical printability of these densely populated tiny tubes, as well as the durability of the overall lamp. Thus, our goal is to determine the density, sizes, and orientation of the tubes. While density controls the spatial distribution of light that emanates from the lamp and reaches a receiving surface, the diameter and tilt angle of each tube are used to control the amount of light. We pre-compute and store a collection of reference images, which are formed on the wall by various uniform density tube patterns on the lampshade. Each tube is embedded inside a disc with a safety region around it to ensure printability. Given a target image, we generate the density map for the desired distribution of discs, based on these reference images. And then we compute the capacity-constrained Voronoi tessellation based on this density map, and inscribe a maximal circle inside each tessellation cell. We evaluate the difference between the resulting disk radius and the desired radius in each cell, and use a binary search for the number of disks that produces the best percentage of the right sizes. After the design process is complete, we project the disks back onto the lampshade, and place a suitably sized or tilted tube inside each disk, yielding the final perforated model. Here we show the perforated lampshade generated by our algorithm from a portrait of Marilyn Monroe, and the resulting projected image on the screen. We have prepared several lampshades that produce a number of test patterns in order to test the degree of control that our approach has over the tone and contrast in the projected images. We have printed lamps perforated with various images and demonstrate their actual projection effects. Thank you.